Welcome to our FanDuel promo code guide. Today, we'll explore everything you need to know to get started with FanDuel and unlock exciting bonuses. A promo code is a special code that enhances your betting experience by unlocking bonuses. It's the key to making your gameplay even more rewarding. Let's go through the registration process. It's straightforward. Just follow these steps to create your account and start betting. You can find your FanDuel promo code in various places, such as promotional emails, affiliated websites, and on social media channels. Entering your promo code is easy. Just follow the on-screen instructions during registration and make sure to paste it in the right box. FanDuel offers various bonuses such as free bets, deposit matches, and risk-free bets. Each one is designed to boost your game. Once you enter your promo code, you'll often unlock your bonuses instantly. It's that simple to enhance your gaming experience. To maximize your bonuses, check the promotional terms, use your bonuses wisely, and stay updated with FanDuel's latest offers. If you encounter any issues with your promo code, check for typos, ensure it's still valid, and consult the FAQs for troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching. Remember to use your promo code during registration for awesome bonuses on FanDuel. Sign up today and start betting.